Hello, lovely people. Today I want to share this very quick recipe with you. How to make chili powder and chili flakes. Okay, so I have my dried chilies here. I'm I'm putting it on my baking tray, and then I'll pop it in my oven. Okay, this is to make it drier, and also to get to release that smokiness. Okay, or to get that smokiness, if I can say it that way. Okay, so yeah, it's now I'll leave it out to dry. When it comes out, and the rest is to blend. So for the flakes, I put it on a lower setting on my blender, and for the powder, I put it on a higher setting. Actually put it on grind, so it grinds very finely. Okay, so at the end I just put them in a mason jar to store in a dry container. Okay, so yeah, I'll leave the rest to you to watch, okay, without me, telling you what's going on. It's self-explanatory. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the very next one. But before I leave, please remember to subscribe if you haven't, like and share this video. You can make your own chili powder at home, and it's the best quality because you know what's in there. Okay, so thank you all for coming to support me, and I'll see you in the very next one. Bye.